I have made $1,600 through YouTube from different sources of income in past 60 days. And all of that without being monetized with less than 500 subscribers. So in this video, I will be completely transparent and I will show you my own stats so that if you are the one who is looking to start your own YouTube channel or you are looking to work as a content creator, you can learn which are the passive income sources you can build through YouTube. Okay, so first way of earning through YouTube is AdSense. When you create content on YouTube, YouTube shows different advertiser ads on your channel and pays you a specific percentage of that ad revenue. For example, if an advertiser is paying $50 per 1,000 views, YouTube will pay you 55% and will keep 45%. Now some advertiser will have to pay more and some have to pay less to advertise on YouTube. So basically there are two metrics which you need to understand. First one is CPM, that's mean cost per impression, and that belongs to advertiser who is paying to YouTube to display ads on videos. And second is RPM, that's mean revenue per milli. So basically this belongs to creator, how much a creator is going to earn per 1,000 views. So let me explain to you for each type of content you create or watch on YouTube. For example, if you create content related to vlogs, gaming or entertainment, this type of niche has low CPM. That's mean advertiser is paying less to YouTube and you as a content creator will be paid less as well. And if you create educational, investment or content related to business or finance, you will be paid more because advertiser is going to pay more. He is going to bid more for this type of content. For example, if I teach you how to create a website, so advertiser will pay more to target you, right? Because you will need hosting, theme and domain to build your own website. So in this way, my RPM will be higher and I as a content creator will be paid more for this type of content. Now the question is how much YouTube is going to pay you for each type of content. So vlogging, entertainment and gaming content RPM is around $2 to $8 and it's also depend upon viewer location as well. For example, if your viewer is based in Asian countries or in Gulf countries, your RPM will be around $0.3 to $0.8 per 1,000 views. And if your viewer is based in USA, UK, Europe, Canada, or Australia, your RPM will be around $2 to $8 in those niches. And in finance, business, and educational content, RPM is around $12 to $55 per 1,000 views. And this is the RPM for high spending countries, for example, USA, UK, Canada, Australia. And if your viewer is based in Asian countries, as I told you earlier, your RPM will be lower. So to get accepted in YouTube Partner Program, your channel should have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Because my channel is so small, so I have not made any money through YouTube Partner Program until now. Now you can also sell your own products to your audience, and this is a second way to earn money on YouTube. So I created few digital products and mentioned those product links in my description. And this is how much I made through selling digital products. I made $34 by selling my course, which I am not doing anymore, and this amount is going to refund. And I made $7 to $8 by selling a template. And this template I sold to my email list, which I am building at this time. You can see I have also sold few ebooks, and these are all the free ebooks to collect emails to build my own email list. You can also create and sell your own digital products through YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram. I have already created a video about that, and I am going to mention the link in description. Make sure to check it out. And third way of earning through YouTube is affiliate marketing. Basically, when you mention a product in your video that belongs to any other company or creator, if you are registered with them as an affiliate, and when someone is going to make a purchase using this link, you are going to pay a specific amount around 10 to 15% of total order value. And this is the most easiest way to earn money if you are a content creator. And one of the most popular affiliate program is Amazon Associate. This is the most common method and most of the creators are using this to monetize their audience. I have also signed up for Amazon affiliate account, but I have not made any money through my affiliate account until now. And fourth way of earning through YouTube is building a paid community or an email list. Now, as I told you earlier, I am building an email list and my paid community. So this source of income have not added any money to my income from YouTube. And creators who have a large audience, they are making even 100K a month from their paid communities. And as a content creator, this is a great way to monetize your audience. You can include one-on-one support. You can also include courses, live chats, and ebooks in your paid community. And through your paid community, you will be able to charge a specific monthly amount, which will be a recurring revenue for your business. And my last source of income through YouTube is sponsorships. Basically, brands pay you an upfront amount and affiliate commission to mention their link or to give them a shout out in the video. And if you are in finance or business niche, this amount can be anywhere between $50 to even $30,000 per video. And it's all depend upon number of subscribers and views your channel is gaining at this time. So I have been creating content on YouTube from past year, but last 60 days have been great so far as my channel is starting to gain some momentum. So in last 60 days through sponsorships, I have made almost $1,600. And this amount also includes some invoices which are already sent to clients. Now let me show you my own stats in YouTube Studio, because as a content creator, you need to understand these metrics if you are going to start your own YouTube channel. So here is my YouTube Studio showing the analytics of my channel. Now if you see, I started uploading from 1.5 years ago. And there may be very few weeks which I missed, but most of the time I am uploading every week. And you can also see there are the days where I am getting 0, 3, 4 views per day. And then to almost 300, 400 and even 1000 views a day. But still to earn money from YouTube Partner Program, I need few hundred subscribers. And almost 3,500 of watch time is remaining, which is almost 80% of the watch time. So I can estimate which may be completed in coming 3 to 4 months. Now from these stats, earning from YouTube as a beginner is not easy, as it is told from many YouTubers. Because you will need to plan and recite the content, film the videos, and then most crucial part to edit those videos if you are in competitive niche. So my advice will be don't go blindly to start a YouTube channel or even spending hundred and thousands of dollars to get a paid course. Simply start creating content with your phone and talk what you are passionate about. Make sure to find an issue and start talking about that to resolve that problem. And always keep your audience in your mind, which are the pinpoints you are going to address in your content. And as I told you earlier, you can then monetize your audience and build your own products or community. And once you gain the momentum, you can then put your complete focus to scale your content creation business. But if you don't want to be on camera, you can still make money by writing online. And there are plenty of creators who are doing this already. So if you want to create a faceless YouTube channel, I think better is to create the faceless content on Twitter and Instagram through writing. Because in this way, you will be able to build a personal brand. And personal brand can make you thousands and even millions of dollars if you know how to monetize your audience in a right way. Let me show you few examples of the creators who are doing this already. These are all the creators who have built their personal brand. And they have done all of that through writing online and monetize their audience through services, paid communities, and with digital products. And I think this is a great way of passive income, and it also takes less time than creating video content. So you as a content creator will get plenty of opportunities to monetize your audience. And in my coming videos, I will talk about that in details, how you can make money through writing online. So please make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel to get notified about upcoming content. And I have also created some content already related to drop shipping, print on demand, and digital products. If you want to build the business in those specific niches, make sure to check the videos that may be helpful for you. And I will be back soon with more useful content.